Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This tutorial is over our Bo Kata Shushi-no-Kon-Sho. We'll be working together with the first merit of a good pattern, which is proper technique. Everything I'm doing as correctly as I possibly can. Something we will really focus on in Shushi-no-Kon-Sho is the difference between Ski-kome, the two-hand thrust, and Nagashi-ski, the sliding thrust. Now, we've got both of these in this pattern, so it's important for us to be able to distinguish between them. Now we'll see Ski-kome, the two-handed thrust toward the beginning, out and through like this. My hands don't move on my bow. I've got that jun-nigiri grip at about 1/3 and 1/3. I'm in here at my hip, thrusting forward with the end of the bow resting against my hip here. With Nagashi-ski, the sliding thrust, I'm letting the bow move through my front hand. This hand guides. The bow just slides through it this way and then slides back like that. This one has a bit greater reach than Ski-kome. Ski-kome has a bit greater power. But I want to be sure that I'm distinguishing between them, that I'm doing Ski-kome, where I should be, and that I am doing Nagashi-ski also, where I should be. All right, let's take this together. Shushi-no-Kon-Sho, my count, working with proper technique. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that is Shushi-no-Kon-Sho, working with proper technique. I'm taking it a little slowly to give myself time to do each technique as correctly as possible. I don't want to rush through it. Especially with the bow, it can be challenging, it can be difficult to distinguish one bow skill, one bow technique from the next. They can look very, very similar. So it's very important to know what it is that we are trying to do and to do it, again, as correctly as possible. Thank you for joining me.